globe time. So today what we're gonna do is start the process of our paper mache globe. So we'll take our balloon and we're going to mix up our paper mache and start getting it covered. Now you'll notice I have my table covered with newspaper here. It's important we keep the paper mache in the bowl and on our balloon and we don't get it all over everything else. You'll also notice I have an apron on. So you'll be wearing your art smock so we don't get too messy with this. And first thing we need to do is mix up our paper mache. So it's pretty simple. I take 1 part of the flour and 1 part of water. Okay, so now it's not drippy and I set it right over top. I've got this great holder that keeps my balloon from rolling away. And I keep on going. Hold it up. Scrape off the extra. It works great if you just use 2 fingers. Put 1 finger on either side and slide it right down the paper. And the paper will tear pretty easily, so you want to make sure that you're pretty gentle with it. I got a little tear here. Okay. And then you're going to just keep crisscrossing and crisscrossing until you cover the whole balloon. Okay, when you get to the point where most of your balloon is covered and you don't see too many spots, start using the smaller pieces of newspaper and make sure that you get it all covered. Look around the knot here and see how there's only a small circle that's not covered. You want to make sure that you get all of that. If you have any cracks or anything, they will show in here. So take a look. Here's one that wasn't done quite so well and actually has a lot of cracks where the newspaper didn't cover. So you want to make sure that you cover most of yours. Don't make it too pasty, but make sure everything is covered, okay? And then once everything's covered, we'll let it dry for at least a day to make sure that it's good and ready to paint. And then after we get it painted, we'll get to add our continents on there and we'll have our Planet Earth paper mache version.